Hey pandas, it's Amanda, and today I'm going to show you guys how I do my eyelash extensions at home. You'll need some individual adhesive, clean mascara wands that you can get from your local beauty supply, and of course your favorite individual lashes. Wipe any oils or mascara from your natural lashes before applying the individuals, then brush them out so each lash is separated and not clumped up. Depending on the look you want, carefully pull out 3 to 4 lashes in each cluster. I personally like to dip the lash because the adhesive dries really fast and I tend to move slower when I'm recording. Then you just place the cluster underneath your natural eyelash. Try to work in different sections at a time. Make sure you're not placing them one after the other, so when they start to fall off, you won't have gaps in between your lashes. If you don't like the way a lash is sitting, just gently push it around and spread it until it lays the way you want. Then take a clean mascara wand and brush out any loose hairs and you're all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY and make sure to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, pandas!